What's it like to be a software engineer at Microsoft? Everything depends on the team. What are the hours like? The happiest people I've seen are from R&D department. They have the ability to play with ideas. Failed, play again, develop great stuff. Like Kinect. Failed, play, etc. It never gets boring and there are no hard deadlines, bureaucracy, stupid management, and whatever else someone may think about typical office work. The rest of the teams are regular ones. You may find good and bad managers, hard-working culture and lazy bastards, coding every day and coding once per month. It's not only MSFT specific, other big IT companies are also like that. You may certainly work 40 hours per week, nobody will discriminate you for that. They may discriminate if you don't do anything, though. But it's a different story. How much access are you given to code and products? But don't worry, you'll have access to whatever is required for your work. I don't understand why should you have access to something you don't need? Do you intend to pirate or leak that stuff? Winky face. But if you're really interested, then I can tell you that there are tents. You have to be tented to get access to some secret/unreleased product documents, decisions, repos, etc. I had access to Windows Codebase, but never even tried to download it. I didn't need really it. Do you have any say in decisions being made in the company? What I've found unique at Microsoft is that disturbance is a motto. You'll get a lot of meetings, especially if you practice Agile and / or discuss something with other teams or managers, conversations with colleagues, emails, etc. Some days may be 70% occupied with that stuff, but at the end of the week / sprint you'll be asked about the progress. The way to survive here is: forget about email and link, Skype for business, only open it few times per day, ready / write and quickly close again. Don't write big emails. Nobody reads them. Few sentences and done. If needed, they'll ask for more info. Let other teams know your office hours, time when they can officially disturb you, preferably after lunch. You're useless anyway. Ignore meetings you are not mandatory to present at. People will reach you out directly if needed. I've seen people discussing useless stuff for hours, especially managers who try to build trust like to pretend that they play a big role in conversations. But unfortunately, in most of the cases, such detailed conversations don't result in anything substantial. If you're at the meeting after all, ask for the agenda. During the meeting stay focused, and as soon as it drifts away from the agenda, remind others. If it's hard for you, learn to facilitate meetings. There are courses online. Do you have any say in decisions being made in the company? If you're doing the things explained above and instead of sleeping at meetings you're being productive, focused on deliverables, then you'll gain trust. People will start treating you well, value your time, listen to you when they invite you to the meetings. Otherwise, the manager's word has a bigger weight than engineers and you won't be heard. How valuable do you feel to the company? I didn't feel valuable to the company. Well, I thought that I was doing great stuff, but to be honest, the company is huge. There are duplicates and triplicates of everything there. Even if you become super important in your team / division and then quit unexpectedly, they'll manage without you, don't worry. Maybe your project will be closed and managers reorganized, but company will survive. And managers will be reorganized anyway. Summary. Try to enjoy. It's not the best, but not the worst place either. And they pay a lot.